Yes, sir. I cannot wait. Prepare for an unboxing video coming up and a first flight video. And this is going to be awesome. Good morning. I am the Mainly Digger, and this is my drone unboxing. I bought a DJI Phantom 3 Advanced Drone. For fairly a decent price. It is a decent price compared to everything else. It's a little bit older and it's reused or refurbished, but it is awesome. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. Cannot wait to get this thing flying. And this is going to be awesome. I put it together, and this is step-by-step beginner's guide to drones, to putting a drone together, putting a professional drone together. So much fun to play with this, to put it together, to see how things work, to read the instructions. Definitely, you need to read the instructions. A good time, just a good time had by all. My eldest took a picture. I'm going to throw that in there. It's going to be awesome. She did a really good job. And hopefully I'll get this thing flying today. Right now it's charging, so one step closer. Mainly dig out. So this is the unboxing of my drone. I've been waiting for this thing for a while. So excited. Did my research. This is the Phantom 3 Advanced without the propellers on it, because I haven't put them on yet. So it comes with everything you need to fly this drone and some spare parts. So you only need 4 propellers, but it comes with multiple different propellers. And this is to charge it. This is the charging station, or not station, but charging. This is what you need to charge it with. If you look at this is what I enjoyed. It comes with stickers. You can buy me off with stickers. So there's a couple stickers in there, and there's the owner's manual. But this is awesome. I'm so excited. Here's a controller. I'm not a professional. I only kind of know what this stuff is. So there's the camera.
My suggested first step is plug in both the batteries. There's 2 batteries. The charger has 2 cables coming off of it. One is for each battery or type of battery. Our first battery is off the drone itself. You have to pull it out. And on the drone that I received, there was directions actually on the drone. Fairly simple. Just connect the battery and the connector to the battery. You'll see the slot. The second battery isn't a battery that you take out. It's a part of the controller, and it is the circular charger that goes in this, obviously. My second suggested step is to look for the SIM card. In my drone, my SIM card was already in the SIM card slot and was not it wasn't in the packaging. I kind of got scared for a minute until I looked at the actual drone and the SIM card was in there. Make sure the SIM card fits. This is not a step, just a suggestion. This red warning piece is a piece of styrofoam, a hard piece of styrofoam, and it keeps the gimbal from turning around, or the mount from turning around. I would suggest keeping this in until you fly, just so it stays in place. But don't forget it before you fly. Next step is to put the propellers on. The propellers have 2 different colors, gray like this and black. Before you rip the tags off, make sure you know which propeller goes where, because they are marked. I'm telling you, this is simple. They are marked. Make sure you know where the propellers go before you take off the tags. And to understand that there's the 2 different colors mean 2 different things. One, and what they mean is the propeller tightens one way, like this, the black colored propeller tightens one way, and the silver colored or gray colored propeller tightens the other way. And you can see on the propeller which way they tighten. Here's a better picture and a closer look. You can see the locks, locked and unlocked. At some point in time, you need to read the instructions and all the manuals, all the instruction manuals. This was probably the most helpful because it has all the pieces. It tells you what all the pieces are and what all the pieces that should be in the box to see if they're there. You need to double check to see if they're there. Also, to look at the safety manual and all the warnings. The warnings are kind of funny. I love reading the warnings or the warning signs. It even comes with a warning card to tell you what's safe and what's not, or a safety card. Knowing about the battery is very important. These batteries have been known to set fires or get extremely hot. So knowing about battery safety, very important. And just reading the instruction manuals. So I didn't get any flight footage because I am still learning how to fly it. I got it up in the air and I got it flying, but then I crashed it. So I gotta learn a little bit more, and I gotta learn how to use the app also. So I'm having a fun time learning how to do stuff. So it's gonna be a slow process. There's gonna be a slow curve to this one, and it's just fun. It's fun to fly. You notice I shaved my head. It's been a while. It's been a day-long process. I would suggest charging like I did. I charged the batteries first, but that's the longest part of the whole setup is charging the batteries. I don't know how long I charged them for, but it still wasn't long enough. Still had a good time. Mainly dig out.